Hey drone technology fans, Bill here. DJI Mavic Pro 2, selling your current drone. We'll have that coming right up. Now before we get into the topic of today's video, I wanted to lay out a ground rule here. What we know regarding the Mavic Pro 2 is this. DJI is having an event in New York City called See the Bigger Picture on July 18, 2018 at 10 a.m. There is currently no information out on the FCC Grant ID database regarding a Mavic Pro 2, either in Roman numerals or the number 2. There has also been activity with DJI regarding selling the Mavic Pro, and that's been going on and off the past several months. This is currently what we know regarding this. Now, it's been widely rumored and highly speculated that this is what DJI will be announcing on July 18th. So without any further ado, we're going to get into the video here. And one of the questions that I have been asked a lot lately, and it's a multi-part question, is, Bill, when should I sell my current Mavic Pro? Bill, how much should I sell the Mavic Pro for? Bill, how should I sell my Mavic Pro? These are all great questions. So what I thought I'd do, I put a video together to answer some of those questions. Now, the first one is, when should you sell your drone? And if you're selling a Mavic Pro, if you have a Mavic Pro that you're going to be selling before you would get the drone that DJI is going to announce on July 18th, sooner is going to be better than later, because the longer that you wait to sell that drone, the price you're going to get for it is going to go down. So if you want to maximize that, now would be the time to do it. And again, I want to also preface this to, this is my advice. This is something regarding what I would be doing and what I'll probably end up doing in selling my own Mavic Pro before this event. Number two, how should I sell my drone? Now, there are a lot of ways to go about selling your drone. A lot of people, you could use Craigslist, you can advertise it on Facebook or Twitter. What I would recommend would be to use eBay. Now, yes, they do take a percentage, but you do have the added benefit of having seller protection for yourself. Plus, you also have the added protection of PayPal as well, too. Now, personally, I would avoid methods by advertising it on Facebook and on Craigslist because you don't have that additional protection. Number three, how should I price my drone? Now, that's a very interesting question, and one of the best bellwethers is this, and one of the things that I have found is I've sold 2 drones on eBay. And eBay has a great system. When they recognize the item that you're selling, they will tell you what the best price to sell that item for is. It's fantastic, and it has worked flawlessly. When I sold my Autel X-Star Premium and when I sold my DJI Spark, it was very easy, and I got exactly what I was asking for. So, and this is based on what other units are selling for on eBay right now, and I think that's absolutely fantastic. So that is definitely something that I would highly recommend. Number 4, include options like your case, landing gear, spare props, batteries, etc. in your listing. Make sure you mention that. And here's a bonus tip. Put in there, put down and highlight it, italicize it, bold it, put down bonus, free XYZ case for Mavic Pro included. When you mention something like that, people always like to see that word free, and I believe that's probably a great search word on eBay. So I think that's something that I would highly advise you to use. And the last, number 5, what I would do is, once you've gotten a listing on eBay, promote it on Facebook. If you're a member of a Mavic Pro group, promote it there. If you have other groups, promote them there. Drone groups, promote them there. If you're on Twitter, definitely promote it there. I can't tell you how easy it is to sell items, drone-related items like that. I've done that before, and it's very easy to do that when you're promoting them to these groups, because these are people who are definitely interested in it, and also if you price it accordingly. Now, here's another bonus tip, and this is regarding selling it on eBay. There are features to be able to say, that you can accept. Now, you can ask for a fixed price, but you can also be able to say, you will take anything let's say you're selling it for, I'm just arbitrarily putting out $800, but you'll take anything above $750. So you can check that box down when you're filling out your listing. So, there can be some negotiation there, but, state that you won't take anything less than $750. So that's kind of a bonus tip for you there. And again, this is just my advice on how to sell your Mavic Pro. If you like the content from today's video, please make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and tell others about the channel. Also, be sure to check out my Facebook page where I do post daily updates, and also Twitter and Instagram as well. Thanks so much for watching, and happy flying!